How to create an HTML field with UNOY. Go to your page node, click Add New Element, select HTML field. Your HTML field is now created. Double click on its name to rename it. You can write text inside the HTML field that will be displayed to your users. You can change the color of your text. You can change the size, add a paragraph. You basically can do anything that you could do in an HTML field. You can even add images, add videos, links, emojis. So everything that you could do with HTML. You can export it to a Word file. By clicking caption, you can add a caption. By clicking description, you can add a description. And by clicking visible in result data, the data will be shown in the collected data of your module later. Inside the HTML field, if you press Add, you can reference user's input or system variables. There is a text input field that I created before, and the information that is put into the text input field will be shown in the HTML field to your user. Let's look at this, how this looks when your users see it. So press save, click save again, and press preview. And here my HTML appears. And if I write now in the text input field, you will see that this will be added because I added it here. So to make it a little bit clearer, so I have a text input field, a number input field. Let's delete the single select. Exactly. So let's save again. Press preview. It works like this. And also if I can also reference the number input field here. Press save. Reload this. And now if I add numbers here, see, this works just fine. So yes, with this HTML field, it's very easy to create smart forms that can later be automatically sent to your users or downloaded or distributed in any useful way for you and your team. Let's have a look at the advanced section of the HTML field. Press Advanced to open a drop-down menu. Here you can change the responsiveness, add a style by using a class tag, set a minimum height, add a comment or a condition. Create a condition, press add a condition, choose a condition, maybe the number of your user's input equals, you can set a system variable, or a number, or some text. And you can add more conditions or even add a group. So that's it for the HTML field. Thank you for listening.